Just look at the state we are in. Christmas has been ruined for so many hard-working families. The collapse of the banks goes on and on. Now they say Hathersage is in trouble, for God's sake. My mother's got her life savings in Hathersage, but they've done it, haven't they, the banks? They've left us completely.
We've told you before. We really can't use language like that.
Well, you can censor me all you like. But they swear. Don't you? All of you. When you think of what the system's done to us. Don't you swear the roof down. What do we do, the rest of us normal people? What do we do?
Normal people? You're a member of Parliament. You're supposed to have the answer.
I think I have. I've got exactly that, because next year we face a general election, and God knows we need to shake things up, don't you think? So I propose, in order to vote, every British citizen must take an IQ test.
What? You can't say that.
Oh, she's brilliant. I said you'd like it.
If you score above 70, you can vote. Simple as that.
Oh, she is outrageous.
70's quite low.
It's not that bad.
Are you saying that some people are too stupid to vote?
No. That's what you say. Millions of you. At work, at home, in the pub. You say, take away the vote.
You say it, Dan, all the time. That was you and Brexit, non-stop.
You say things are too complicated and people are not clever enough.
Aye.